morning, student. This is Devduta Diwal and I will be teaching your class 10 physics. So you will start with the chapter light. So light, to understand the concept, it's very difficult in a way, but it's far easier for junior classes to understand what is light. So simply we can say light is an electromagnetic wave. So in the beginning there was this Galileo Galilei. He started the experiment with light. In comparison with the speed of the sound, he compared the speed of light. And he concluded it's twice the speed of sound. Then later, lot of different scientists has given their own theories. Among them, there was this guy, Maxwell. His equation was devastating for the field of physics. And he thought light is a wave. Then later Einstein came and he proved that light is the collection of photons. In a way we can say it's the photon which is responsible for the light. These are small packets of energies. And they don't have a mass. Once you cross the limit and the barrier of speed of light, you don't have a mass. So in a way they are massless particle with high energy values. So in this chapter of class 10 light, we will be studying three topics. First, it's called a reflection. Then we will study refraction. And the third one is, we don't get into much detail for class 10, that is diffraction. So this three topic will be enough for class 10 and we will only study this three topic for class 10 CBSE rules. So first is reflection, second is refraction, third is diffraction. So three topic, will begin with the first one, reflection. In the reflection topic, we will study three kinds of things or where the reflection happens. First, we will study reflection for mirror. In mirror, we will get three kinds of mirror. First is called plane mirror. That is like straight, what we see ourselves in every day. That is called plane mirror. Then we will have concave mirror. It's like curving inside, if you see from this side. Like the inside of a spoon, it's a concave mirror. Then you will get convex mirror. So convex mirror, you can think like the opposite side of a spoon and the reflecting surface will be here for convex. So in general, we don't study plane mirror much, because the plane mirror depicts the real world. That means if you are 5 foot 3 inches, 5 foot 3 inches, then if you stand in front of a plane mirror, you will be 5 foot 3 inches. So it's like the real world has been depicted by the plane mirror. So we don't study or do calculation with the plane mirror. But you will get a lot of calculation for concave and convex. So concave mirror, it's like a mirror which is curving inside. And the reflecting surface will be in this side. So first let us understand how they prepare this mirror. So it's a machine which calculates the radius of a very big circle. You have to imagine a very big circle of mirror. And they cut a little portion of the mirror. They do the calculation in this manner. So it's a mirror of a very big circle. You can imagine that. Next thing you will get is the big circle with a radius and the point of the center. This is also called center of curvature. It's the center of curvature. And this line from center of curvature to the mirror, this point where it strikes the mirror is called pole. And the distance between pole and the center of curvature is called the radius. It's called a radius. Which is denoted by small r or sometimes capital R. It depends on the book which you are reading. Then suppose this is 4 and the middle point is 2. That means half of the distance of the radius will be treated as focus. So this will be our F, or called focus. And the distance from this focus to the pole is treated as focal length. So this distance is called focal length. Now you have to think for the calculation. It's kind of easy in terms of its calculation, that we have to consider the signs because the image may vary from side to side. So this is the mirror. This is the principal axis. This is the center of curvature. This is the focus, F, C, focal length and radius. This is the pole. All the distance from pole to this side will be taken as negative. So you yourself can think it's a graph. And this point, origin point, is the pole. Like this. All the distance from this side will be taken as negative. And the distance from this to upward is positive. This side it's negative. This side again it's negative. So in a way, all the distance, the object distance, if the image is in this side, it will be taken as negative. So it depends. We will see this in the calculation of the next class. For this, if you have any question in this regard, you can text me in the school group. For this, we will discuss it later on the further topic. But for this, it's finished, and we will study the next topic or the next question of this kind in the next class. Thank you.